Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. Thank you for joining me today. Unboxing. I finished off a workshop order and I ordered some goodies. These are for my darling customers, future gifts and things and what have you. So, plus some goodies for me. We'll do the goodies for me first, shall we? So I've got some of the matte black dots. I've seen these used actually, and they're very effective. And I hadn't got any, so I thought, yes, we'll have some of those. Here, for my journaling, I needed some brads. I didn't have any. These are round and square brads, quantity of 200. Now, let me just open this up and I'll put a couple on my hand and I'll try and get up. Let me get up close with the camera. So these are square ones, and of course I suspect the white ones I'll be able to colour with stamping blends. Hopefully we'll be giving that a try, and I'll let you know how I get on with that. But yeah, so that's what 200 looks like. It does say there's round ones. Haven't seen any yet. Is that a round one I've got? Oh, that's a little round one I've got on me. There you go. Where are we? Yeah, that's a little round one. I bought the Whisper White crinkled seamed binding ribbon. I thought this looked really nice. Just give you a bit of a close-up. Here we go. I'm not sure what's up with my lighting. Oh, I haven't turned it on, that's why. So there we go. That's the crinkled seam binding ribbon. This is the Blushing Bride metallic ribbon, and a number of these will be, I think all this stuff below in the box is now retiring, and it's in our clearance. So that's the Blushing Bride. That's very pretty. Look at that. This is the terracotta tile scalloped linen ribbon. That's going to be nice for journaling. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? And then lots of this purple posy scalloped lace ribbon. Okay, see that? That's very pretty. This was a colour I really liked, and it's a shame the ink colour didn't work out, which is a shame because it was really pretty. But yeah, so I've got a few of those. And the other one I got is Berry Burst metallic edge ribbon. Look at that one. Isn't that pretty? So that was my little haul, only a little haul. I'll be doing another video soon, I think, with my pre-order from next year's January-June catalogue. If you'd like to purchase from that, it's very easy. You can join my team. There's a link down below in description, and then you can order from the annual catalogue, and you can order from the as a pre-order from the new January-June one as well. And yeah, what's not to like about that? So I hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing. I'll be seeing you all again soon. Whatever you're doing, have a lovely time, and it's bye for now. Bye.